Hey guys, big day today, big day. Today, the exhaust has been installed. The IPD turbo back exhaust has been installed on BlueBrd. The windows have also been tinted, but I'm going to save that for another video. It's totally raining out today, right? But you can see the exhaust there. Now what we're going to do here real quick is, a few days ago, I did a clip with an overview video showing the exhaust before it got installed on the car so we could see all the pieces. So what we're going to do real quick is jump over to that video. It's only a couple, we're going to jump over to that clip. It's only a couple of minutes long. Watch that so you can see the whole system, see the whole exhaust system. I actually have it on the kitchen table. So we'll look at that video really quick, and then we're going to cut back and we're going to get a sound clip on the car here and rev it up and see how good this IPD exhaust really sounds. I've been driving it around a little bit and it sounds great. But I want you guys to check it out. Let me know what you think. All right, so check out the other clip real fast, and then we'll come back and do a sound clip real fast, okay? Well, here it is. This is the full exhaust from the turbo back for my 1997 Volvo 850 T5. Very nice exhaust. I left some of the clamps and hangers down in the box. There's some more clamps and things like that. Here's the exhaust tip. It's gigantic, and it's actually really heavy. This is the downpipe. This is the single flange downpipe. Hopefully it's the right downpipe. I wasn't sure if it was the single flange or the other flange, and they weren't sure at IPD, and I guess the only way to find out is to remove the heat shield, and I had just pulled the car up there, and so it was hot, and so they said that it was most likely a single flange. So I'm going to get this installed, and this is going to be exciting to run this exhaust. I've been reading about this exhaust, and so I finally said, you know what, I'm going to spend the money. You know, it's a good chunk of money, but you could certainly spend a lot more money on an exhaust system than what this costs. You know, for instance, if you had a BMW M5 and you wanted the Akrapovic exhaust, it's like $9,500 or $7,500. It's really expensive. So this is an exhaust system that's under $800, and it's going to really help the car come alive. I just did the ECU tune the other day down at IPD, the same day that I bought this exhaust and some other parts. So yeah, the next clip will be on our way to Voltec to have them install this exhaust. Alright, let's get a sound clip of this thing. I'm going to hop in the car and start it up. Let's see what it sounds like. Sounds pretty good. IPD turbo back exhaust. We like it. Let me know your thoughts on the system.